Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Korean's math class. We are studying today Celsius temperature, page 271, 272. Look at a thermometer. The thermometer, okay. One side is showing you Celsius, and the other side is showing Fahrenheit. So there are two kinds of thermometers on this chart. Let's look what this lesson will focus. In this lesson, you will measure temperature using Celsius thermometer. Determine the amount of temperature increase or decrease and determine the temperature. It's 10 degrees warmer or 10 degrees colder than the given temperature. So you're going to be doing the Celsius on your right. So what is temperature? Temperature is a measurement of how something is hot or how much something is cold. What is used to measure temperature? A thermometer is used for measuring temperature. When might you use a thermometer to measure temperature? Finding outside temperature or inside temperature. A sick person in the hospital or at home or in school. A temperature of a swimming pool. A temperature of a baking dish. So we use a thermometer to measure temperature at various places. Now what is second? What are different kinds of thermometers? The similarities and differences. So in Fahrenheit we studied in US system, but in metric system we use Celsius. So you see the normal body temperature is different in both of them. The freezing point is different for both of them, and also the boiling point will be different in both of them. Metric system, we measure temperature in Celsius. The small zero at the top is abbreviation for degree. C is abbreviation for Celsius. How are the numbers of the temperature written on your thermometer? By 10 Celsius or 10 degrees. Okay. What does each mark on the thermometer represents? Each mark on the thermometer represents 1 degree. Direct your attention to slightly longer line halfway between 10 degrees and 20 degrees line. Slightly longer line represents halfway between decade temperature. So I made a little thermometer down here, and I'm showing you there is between 10 and 30 there are 10 lines, but one line is longer. That slightly longer is halfway between the decade. 10 means a decade, and that red strip says that red liquid inside the mercury helps us to read. It's rising up and rising down. It helps us to know the temperature of something or somebody. Now I have one thermometer over here. If you see, that is Fahrenheit on one side and Celsius on the other side. I made a red strip going up. So when the red strip stops at the 20, that's at 20 degrees Celsius. That's how you read it. Now 10 degrees above 20 would be 30 degrees. 10 degrees below 20 will be 10 degrees Celsius. So you have to put the 0 and the C next to the number. That's increasing or decreasing. Now look at another thermometer. You have over here it's going halfway between 20 and 30. So we read 1, 2, 3, 4. So you put 24 degrees Celsius. So you have to use those little lines to read where did the mercury strip stop. Now there is another thermometer over here, and the thermometer is going below 0 degree. When it's going below 0 degree, then it starts -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, and that's why it's -10 degrees Celsius. That means it's more colder, the temperature, than if it had been 24 degrees Celsius. Without the negative, it's not below 0. The 0 degrees Celsius on the thermometer mentions negative sign, so represents below 0 degree, 1 degree, -2 degree, -3 degree. It's getting colder. And so which is colder, 6 degrees Celsius or 7 degrees Celsius? -7 degrees Celsius will be more colder. Let me say it again, -6 degrees Celsius or -7 degrees Celsius. Which will be colder? -7 degrees Celsius. What will be colder, -7 degrees Celsius or -15 degrees Celsius? -15 degrees Celsius will be colder. 3 degrees Celsius or -6 degrees Celsius? -6 degrees Celsius. Standard Celsius temperature, boiling water is 100 degrees Celsius. Freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. Normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. So those are the Celsius boiling point, freezing point, and normal body point. Work pages 271, 272. They have some things like increasing by 10 or decreasing by 10. So you have to go by count the tiny lines, and then you will know how many degrees up it went or how many degrees below it went. Go ahead and do your math page, and if you need help, meet me at Zoom or ask me at Zoom. Have a good day. Bye-bye.